It would appear that we're having a little bit of a snow event this late afternoon. And what does Otis think of the situation? Just taking a short stroll down by the river today after our snow yesterday and rain all night. Just wanted to see what the river looked like. Don't even have a banana to offer Otis. But I did make some raspberry and Greek yogurt muffins this morning, so maybe he'll enjoy one of those. So, did you get a chance to view the eclipse? Otis and I did. We were just out in our yard, but I think we got some good pictures anyway. You can let me know. I think it was about 95% totality here in my part of Nova Scotia anyways. Pretty cool. What you got, Otis? We got a stick! Oh boys, oh boys, oh boys! Okay, Otis. Banana time! Oh, you sit down for me. Yeah, I know. Can't be fast enough. Now you sit down. Hey, behave yourself. I want a little piece too, you know. Was watching most of the eclipse on the NASA channel. Pretty neat watching it cross North America. Isn't that right, Otis? Yes. Okie dokies. Just before we came out for our walk this morning, I made myself a turkey and cauliflower meatloaf. That'll be for lunch and probably put half in the freezer for later. A number of years ago there was quite a house fire here. see now where the construction fencing has all been put up and ready for something to be built. It'll be interesting to see. Just come down to the further end of the Little Sackville River. Been a long time since we've been down this way. I was in to see the ophthalmologist the other day, and he tells me that my eyes were getting a little old. Well, I look at him and say, well, I guess it goes along with the territory. But anyway, I guess I need to be sporting a new look, I guess. Not even sure Otis recognizes me sometimes. Doesn't seem to have any problem recognizing a good stick, though.